Have you ever noticed that something as basic as blood isn't the same for everyone? Some people have A, some are B, some are O, some are positives, some are negatives, and suddenly this invisible thing inside our body becomes very important, especially in pregnancy and such. So why don't we all have the same blood type? Why does your blood type even exist in the first place? Today we're breaking down why humans have different blood types, where they came from, and what they actually mean. Most of us only hear about blood types when there's talks of transfusions or donations, when we need an organ transplant, when we're filling out medical forms, and we're told, this blood is compatible, that one isn't. But rarely do we ask, why are there different types at all? If blood does the same job in everyone, carrying oxygen and nutrients, why isn't it identical? The answer is hidden in biology, evolution, and the immune system. Let's start simple. Your blood type is decided by tiny markers on the surface of your red blood cells. These markers are called antigens. Think of antigen as a name tag or ID badges or labels on your blood cells. Your immune system uses these labels to decide this belongs here or this does not belong here. Different labels equals different blood types. There are more main blood groups in the ABO system. Type A has A markers. Type B has B markers. Type AB has both A and B markers. Type O has no A or B markers. Your blood type is inherited from your parents, just like your eye color or height. It's a genetic trait, not something you develop later on. Now let's talk about the positive and the negative. This comes from another marker called the Rh factor. If you have it, you're a positive. If you don't, you're a negative. So A plus means A markers, a positive of the Rh factor. O negative means no A or B markers and no Rh factor. This matters a lot in pregnancy and blood transfusions because your immune system reacts strongly to unfamiliar markers. Your immune system is trained to protect you. If blood with unfamiliar markers enters your body, your immune system may see it as a threat. It can attack those cells. This causes serious reactions. This is why matching blood types is critical. Your body is not being dramatic. It's being protective. Now the big question. Why didn't humans evolve with just one blood type? The answer lies in evolution and survival. Different blood types may have offered protection against certain diseases, certain infections, certain environments. For example, some blood types are more resistant to specific illness. Others may have had advantage in different regions of the world. Over the thousands of years, these variations stayed because they helped humans survive. Blood types are not evenly distributed across the world. For example, type O is more commonly globally. Type B is more common in parts of Asia. Rh negative is rarer overall. This reflects migration, environment, genetics inheritance over generations. Your blood type carries a quiet history of human movement and adaptation. Your blood type does affect transfusions and transplants, does matter in pregnancy, does influence certain medical risks. But it does not define your personality or predict your destiny or make you better or worse than others. It simply is a biological variation, like your different fingerprints. So why do we all have different blood types? Because blood carries markers, the immune system responds to those markers, genetics pass them down, evolution preserved variation. Different blood types exist because difference helped humanity survive. If this video helped you understand your body better, like the video, subscribe to more how and why videos, comment, do you know your blood type?